Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Do you sell to multiple countries? Well, Pandectes cookie banner can be translated in any language around the world. And you can have as many languages as you want in a multilingual banner, which get automatically selected based on user preferences. Let me show you how you can set up a multilingual banner in Pandectes in just a few minutes. Also, you need to know that Pandectes has its own built-in translations feature, which means that it doesn't rely on any other app in order to translate the banner. That said, the good thing about Pandectes is it can integrate seamlessly with any other translation app that you may be using. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Shopify store and I have opened up Pandectes GDPR compliance. Let's go to the settings here and go to the language and translations section. Here, we can change the default language of our banner. If you just want one language, which is not English, you can change the default language from here. You can select any language that you want. I will leave my default as English and add secondary languages that are going to be shown to my users. Here, I can add a new language. Let's say I want to add German. I select German and click on Add. As you can see, German has been added to my languages in the Unpublished Languages category, which means it's not yet published and it's not visible to our users. In order to make it visible to our users, we need to publish it. Of course, German will be now visible in the default translations that our app offers. If you want to change that and add your custom text, you can do that by clicking on Edit. Here, let's say we want to change the "We respect your privacy." And you can even see the default text in order to have a reference. This entire UI is very similar to the logic of the Shopify Localize app. Also, here from the dropdown, you can select other text categories which you can change. For example, the Preferences banner, or the cookies, or customer data requests texts. You can manage it all from here. Also, if you messed it up, you can click on Reset in order to get back the default translation. Now that we have added the second language, of course we can repeat this to add as many languages as we want. And now the question comes, how is the language selected to be shown to the user? That can be set up here from the language detection. If we want the cookie banner to follow the language of the store that the visitor is visiting, then we will choose Store Locale. If you want the banner language to be chosen from the browser preferences, then you can choose the second option here. From the IP address, same thing, you can choose it from here. Or finally from the URL, if your domain follows this exact configuration. I will choose the Store Locale option, as it is the most popular and convenient one, in my opinion. And that's really it. Now you have a multilingual cookie banner and visitors will see it in their own language when they visit. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, as well as privacy and Shopify news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.